Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility. Your school must support Apple Wallet Student ID. Sign into your Apple ID on the iPhone you plan to use, and make sure iCloud and Wallet are enabled. Once done, open the school app or the Wallet prompt from the school portal and choose Add to Apple Wallet. You will be redirected to authenticate. Make sure to use the official school credentials, student number, and password, because Apple verifies the issuer before issuing the card to your device. You then follow the school's verification flow. Request the Apple Wallet Student ID via the campus portal or official app. Approve any verification messages sent to your school email or phone. This step confirms your identity to the issuer. Once the issuer prepares the card, tap Add in Wallet when prompted and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, the digital student ID appears in Wallet. Allow notifications and location if prompted to enable quick. Use the card by opening Wallet or simply waking your iPhone and holding the top near the NFC reader. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button and present the screen. Once done, the reader registers your student credentials for entry, purchases, or library checkouts. If it doesn't work, make sure your device has the latest iOS, the Wallet card is still listed, and cellular or Wi-Fi is active. If that fails, contact your campus ID office with a screenshot and the Wallet issuer name so they can reissue or troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.